All right, everybody, we got another ClevelandMoto video, and it has been hopping here. I'm sure, as you can tell from the pickup truck behind me, full of dunnage. We have been getting bikes in. It's officially springtime in Cleveland. Forget about what they told you about when the red robin comes bobbing along. When the crates start showing up and we start going to the recycling center with a full-size pickup truck, you'll know that it's springtime in Cleveland. So this is it, long-awaited, the Zero SRF. Of course, we freaked out when we saw it because we know this crate is the crate for an SR. So when we saw this in the back of the 18-wheeler, we went, oh man, somebody screwed up and we're getting an SR. Well, the good news is apparently they're putting the SRFs in the SR crates. So big deal for us. Now, this isn't our only demo. We're going to have another demo coming in right behind it. We're very happy right now because Zero did tell us that that we'd be getting our demo units. They said mid to late April, and it's early May, so that's not too bad. Pretty cool. It's been very tough. We've been anticipating this for quite a while, and we are about as jazzed as we can be. Ooh, there's a motorcycle in here, and it's nice to see that it's not punching holes in the box anywhere. That's pretty cool. Holy cow, there it is. It's blue, which is good. That's the color I wanted. So my apologies to anybody who's going to try to ride this bike, who's going to be very sad to find out I'm going to be the one out riding it, and I probably won't be very generous when it comes to giving up the keys to anyone. Now, about these Zeros, these SRFs in particular, these SRFs, they do have a separate 12-volt battery in them. So they have a battery that runs the automotive style features. And so instead of having an AC to DC converter, they actually do run a separate lithium battery. And part of the prep is you have to hook up that battery. That battery does not come hooked up. So we're not going to be taking this thing immediately out of the box and lighting it up and, doing a smoky burnout for you here today or anything crazy like that, because we do actually have to do just a little bit more prep than that to get the bike ready. So what I'm doing for us now is just getting this thing in presentation mode so we can see it and check it all out, because it's pretty cool. Look at that. Wow. That's pretty exciting, man. I gotta tell you, you talk about being a kid at Christmas. Christmas was never this good at my house. Woo! Check that out. Very, very cool. I kind of forgot what this color looked like, and I really liked it when we were down there for training. When I saw this color in San Diego, I was pretty blown away by it. And seeing it in person, it's really fantastic. So this will be our mirrors. This will be the cover for the left side of the body. So this will be the cover for the left side where the battery is. We'll hook the battery up and go through all your prep on the bike and get it ready. But holy cow, does this thing look fantastic. Could not be happier right now. This thing is just so pretty. And I'm glad the sun decided to show up so we could get some sunshine shining on this Dolphin Safe blue here. Seabright blue is what they're calling it. The other one's Boardwalk red. But God, it's such a good color. And the bike looks fantastic. So we're always excited when we open the crate to a new Zero. And just as much so today. I did notice, check out the front wheel. They're no longer using the tie-down straps on the front. They actually have a 45-degree angle metal strut in there holding that front end in. How cool is that? Really a good way to protect the bike. Fantastic job. Really, really neat. I'm very happy with the loading in of the bike. I'm very happy with the uncrating experience. Pretty jazzed right now. This is a good day here at ClevelandMoto, and we're going to be getting the bike prepped, and I can tell you for sure, I know what I'm riding home tonight, no doubt about it. Very, very cool. If you guys have any questions, you have any comments about this, hit us at ClevelandMoto.com. Remember, just go down in the comments block. Leave your comment down there. If you have any questions, we'll answer them. Of course, there's going to be more videos. There's going to be, of course, an on-bike video coming with the Zero. We're going to be doing that. I got my brand new Senna 10C helmet camera, so we're going to have some fun videos for you guys. Remember, there's a bell icon over there on the front. That will help you subscribe to our channel and get notified when we drop these new videos, because between Renee and I, we're going to have these videos coming out fast and furious. You're going to want to have an insight into the world of Cleveland Moto. So remember, guys, ride fast and take chances.